नमस्कार। मैं जीके श्रीवास्तव, निम्बा नेचर क्योर महसाना गुजरात से। I am with Dr. Sanvi, who has 45 years experience in the field of medicals. Had been for a long time in Oman country. Today he is among us. डॉक्टर साहब, मुझे ये बताइए, आपको निम्बा नेचर क्योर के बारे में कैसे मालूम?
A friend of mine who is coming in gymnasium to exercise with me, he and his wife had come here before. And they were telling that you go, if at all you are planning to go anywhere, Nimba is the only choice. There are few more in this area, but he said once you go to Nimba, you will not look at any other place. That's why we thought of coming here. After 1 or 2 months' time, when we felt now this winter started, let's try to get into the Nimba. And I telephoned Sushil, who is your marketing manager. A very nice guy. He replied me, and immediately he has sent me the brochure and different packages. We selected the package of 7 days and we checked in here. Right from the day one, the treatment has been started. And I was just thinking how the 7 days will pass in India. But right from 4:30 in the morning till 8 in the evening, they keep us so busy, you don't get time to think of anything. That is one. Doctors are good. Treatment of massage is good. Varieties of treatment like music therapy, acupuncture, physiotherapy, we have included quite a few things. It looks multi-speciality thing you combine to see at the end result that your client who comes gets the best benefit. This is about the treatment here. Now look at the overall Nimba. Very, very clean place. Twice in a day I see people are